Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay. Bunyi loceng. Kau apa dia jap? Baru 10.45 dekat sini. Alright. Sekarang ni saya berada di apa nama? Lake Bled. Lake Bled. Okay, Lake Bled di Ljubljana. Alright. Dia lebih kurang 1 jam 20 minit daripada bandar Ljubljana. So basically you just naik bus dari stesen sebelah stesen kereta api tu ada bus station. Dia satu je bus station. Apa Autobuvja Ljubljana. Susah gila sebut kat sini. So you naik bus tu and then about dia ada return beli return better sebab satu hala 7.8 euros. Return tadi 12.84 euro. So you boleh jimat saya tunjuk sikit tempat ni sebelum kita start sesi rookie saham Alright, untuk hari ni saya ada topik yang saya dah type tu. Alright, so as you can see ni lah Lake Bled. Right, cuaca sini dalam 9 darjah lebih kurang. Roughly dalam 9 degrees. So memang tengah autumn. Nak transition to winter by December. Alright, so the famous Lake Bled ni is yang dekat atas. Lake Bled Castle. Alright, kat tengah tu saya tak ingat nama dia apa. Alright. Clear ke gambar ni? Sekejap. Oops, sorry. Itu saya punya kamera punya lighting. Sekejap Saya tak pasti kenapa dia macam gelap sikit. Korang nampak clear tak gambar? Oops, sorry. Bahaya dia. Dekat tasik dia. So, itu atas tu saya plan untuk hike sekejap lagi. First nak have saya punya, apa orang kata, snack breakfast dulu Tadi pagi saya dah makan oat apa semua. Tapi itulah tak cukup. Saya perlukan tenaga untuk hiking. So kita lepak dulu dekat lake ni sambil kita cerita pasal saham. Alright. And then saya pun boleh have saya punya breakfast Okay, roti dengan saya bawa tu ladies choice. Telur rebus ada, kentang rebus pun ada. Alright. So Okay, berbalik kepada tajuk hari ni Okay, tajuk hari ni adalah esos ataupun ltip. Okay, apa kesan benda ni benda yang sama cuma dia ada dua nama lah. Apa kesan dia pada market Okay, so first kali kita kena fahamkan dulu apa tu esos ataupun ltip. Esos atau nama lain dia Employee Share Option Scheme ataupun ltip, Long Term Incentive Plan. Alright, so basically apabila you kerja di public listed company, there are public listed company yang offer untuk memberi saham kepada employee mereka sebagai reward. Okay, sebab pemberian ni adalah based on performance. Jadi company akan beri saham yang lebih banyak kepada mereka yang lebih performing. Okay, dia macam nak boost lah you punya moral Actually it's a type of bonus lah actually Cuma dia dalam bentuk saham. Instead of payment of cash, you dapat dalam bentuk saham. Okay, some companies dia practice this kind of like a bonus plus ltip or esos. Okay, some companies totally bonus cash lah maksudnya. Okay, kalau saya would prefer I mean if I'm working in a good company macam Tenaga Nasional ke what else good companies IOI Corp ke. Okay, I would prefer the shares sebab shares dia boleh berubah-ubah harga dia. Compare dengan cash cash ni kita dapat cash macam tu lah. Tunai dia macam tu lah. Dia tidak ada orang kata increasing value. So saya would prefer okay. And benda ni is common lah untuk mereka yang di public listed company So some of the employees actually become millionaires through the share option scheme system Saya kenal satu klien ni, dia bukan klien saya tapi klien kepada another friend remiser. Okay. Dia zaman dulu he was working as a orang kata employee in Nestle So he received about 50,000 shares of Nestle at a price of about 5 ringgit je. So he had to pay about 250,000. And you imagine Nestle saya baru check tadi RM145. So you're talking kalau you ada 50,000 shares, okay, you are talking about almost few million. 50,000 times 10 ringgit pun dah 500,000. So 100 is 5 million. So you can imagine how much. And then he's been receiving dividends from the Nestle itself. Nestle bagi dividen setahun dalam RM2 lebih. So maknanya dia dapat dividen dalam selebih 100,000 tanpa buat apa-apa. Okay, dia dah retired lah. I mean he's old already. Okay, saya tak kenal dia personally, but I've known the story. Okay, saya also kenal some IOI. Okay, IOI employees yang receive shares. Okay, dah lama. Okay, dia dah collect whatever yang company bagi, dia collect. And then disimpan lama. So dia pun dah benefit from that telecom. Sorry, not telecom, tenaga nasional pun ada juga. Okay, the mistake that most let's kita cerita pasal dua esos daripada dua perspektif dulu. Okay, saya harap ada yang watching live hari ni boleh tanya soalan ke apa. Selalu duduk cakap seorang je. I hope pula kita nak cerita daripada dua perspektif. One is kita cerita daripada segi employee perspektif. Nombor dua, kita cerita daripada segi investor perspektif. So when we talk about employee perspective okay, saya nak cerita that saya found it quite sad that employees yang dapat esos ni belum apa-apa dah dispose. Okay, belum apa-apa macam recently yang masa harta lega bagi, belum apa-apa dah dispose. So it's kind of sad because you don't understand what the ltip really is. Okay, sebenarnya dia macam ataupun esos it is actually to help you, assist you actually the shares untuk you retire actually, not for you to use the money immediately, tapi it's a nature of human being ni, dapat duit je dia terus nak spend. Okay, there are a lot of things dia nak sangat, so dapat duit je terus spend. Itu yang menyebabkan bila dia orang retired, bila dia orang dah bersara, they just rely on the EPF money. Okay, EPF money is something yang they didn't save themselves. Okay, berbeza orang yang independently boleh save money and not a forced money. EPF tu save of force daripada orang kata government paksa benda tu berlaku. Sebab tu dia tak ada habit of saving. Jadi bila dia dapat dia punya duit esos pun, perangai dia tetap sama walaupun dia dah bersara. Dia akan spend tak ingat dunia. And then by that time dalam kalau you baca statistics say that in 3 years time, WSP punya statistics, in 3 years usually people already finish their whole EPF okay, in 3 years. So you imagine okay, then kalau you hidup lagi 20 tahun, macam mana you nak survive? Alright, jadi sebenarnya the shares are meant to help you when you retire. That is why the company give you the shares instead of give you everything in cash. Okay, it's for you to keep the shares and for you to earn the dividends, the bonus, the split, whatnot, whatever yang dia boleh award dekat you. If ya, ada anjing kang dia apa? Kang dia makan aku punya breakfast lah. Alright, so my breakfast is there. Anjing kat situ. Be careful sikit. So ada swan. Sorry saya distracted. Pada anjing ni kita distracted sikit. Sekejap, saya nak secure saya punya tempat duduk. Okay, so saya cerita balik tadi So basically as an employee, the mistake that I see is dia terus jual dia punya esos. Okay, dia terus jual dia punya esos, menyebabkan that they get the instant cash. Yes, they spend everything and finish. Then dia orang kerja balik sampai mati. Orang kata macam 8 to 5 just to get the shares again. Then they sell again. They repeat the process. Bila retire, they have nothing. Selalu macam tu lah. That's the case. The irony, sadly, sorry to say, but that is the reality. Okay, yang bijak macam tadi tu lah, yang keep the shares. Okay, keep the shares and survive with whatever they can. Because at the end of the day, a good company because nak bagi LTIP, nak bagi esos ni, you have to be a good company because it takes, bukannya benda tu free it's payable Okay, there are two types of jenis macam esos ataupun LTIP Ada yang jenis you get it for free totally, but it's not actually free, it's paid using the retained earnings Basically dia orang secure the cash required to from the bonus that they should have paid you. So dia orang pusing dekat situ je basically. Okay, so it's not totally free. Ada yang jenis yang where you have to pay at a discount price. Contohnya macam harta lega harga RM6, you hanya perlu bayar RM3.9 untuk you exercise your esos or LTIP. Okay, so basically satu you dah dapat at a free. Kalau case free, okay, macam Tenaga Nasional saya tahu kawan saya dapat free. Kalau yang macam harta lega, my friend got at a very discounted price. Okay, dia dapat murah. Okay, so in that case you dah dekat win-win, you dah dekat win situation. You are not in a situation where you need to sell the shares. Okay, bukannya macam you beli harga market. So you are already at advantage. So over time, kalau you simpan shares tu lama, you'll be earning more dividends in cash. Kalau company tu grow, they get more dividends. More bonus. Dia buat bonus ke apa ke, you akan dapat more shares, more dividends, more passive income. Itu idea dia sebenarnya untuk esos dengan LTIP. So hopefully those yang employees yang bekerja di public listed company, please take note of this, and I hope that you take my advice and try to be more investment savvy. Dan jangan asyik nak spend je duit tu. Because at the end of the day, you need money in your old days. You need a lot of money in your old days. Kita takkan sihat macam sekarang. Keperluan kita lebih. Dan macam-macam lagi. And we don't want to rely on other people. Okay, it's not orang kata orang yang prepared, yang plan awal, dia tidak akan menyusahkan orang. Okay, so itu daripada segi employee perspective, the ESOS. So how good it is for the employees. Okay, from the investor perspective. From the investor perspective,
yes. Orang Malaysia.
Yeah, I'm doing a video.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Oh, I heard you say.
Yeah. Later we talk.
No problem.
Oh, yeah. Okay, so from the investor perspective, you have to look ESOS ni dia akan ada that temporary effect because most of the employee that get the ESOS will definitely sell. So when they sell, it will fall. Okay, market harga tu akan jatuh sebab of the dilution. Macam contoh, let's say 2 million or 3 million shares exercise for that day, so it will make the share fall down. Okay, temporary. This is just a temporary effect. Okay, because benda ni you kena counterbalance. You kena faham. Okay, you nak kata alamak apa ni bagi shares percuma dekat employee apa semua ni. Okay, but you have to understand for the company to move, for the company to make profit, for the company to grow, you need the people to be motivated. Betul tak? Okay, it's the employee that drives the company. Company are just buildings, are just assets. The people are the one that actually drive the company. Okay, so in order for you to enjoy benefits, you nak bonus issue, you nak dividend. Okay, you nak more dividends, you nak more kata, but the company needs cash to pay that. Okay, in order that, you need bigger profit. So in order to do that, you need the employees motivated, betul tak? Jadi employees ni motivated through the share option scheme, through the LTIP. By having those two, employees would say, hey, I'm an employee but I have a chance to become millionaire. Tak ada masalah. Okay, orang duk kata, oh, only the businessman can become millionaire. No, employees can become millionaire if they know what they're doing. Alright, so you kena faham that yes, there ada that impact negative to the market, but at the same time, it's just temporary. It's just a temporary selling where actually you can take advantage and actually buy the shares during the lower. Alright, so in conclusion, it needs a balance. Okay, it's a balance. Basically, I think ESOS and LTIPs are good. Okay, are good for the company because dia tolong company tu. Okay, dia basically menolong company tu untuk drive the employees to work harder, to achieve more, to set higher goals because dia win-win situation. The company makes money, the employees get a raise, or the employee gets a bonus, get the LTIP, naik pangkat senang, okay, semua because you have all the resources and stuff, you have profits, very big profits, okay. can open more division and stuff. And at the end of the day also, last kali, it also benefits the shareholder, correct? Okay, shareholder which is kita lah. Kita yang do invest dalam company tu. So because everything is correlative, everything is berkaitan. Okay. Alright, saya panjang lebar lah. Okay, tadi terjumpa Malaysian di tengah saya. Sebab jarang saya duk travel dah. Hari ni hari ke-26. Okay, very rare to see Malaysian. So maybe saya nak pergi tegur dia. Alright. So until then, saya harap saya punya penerangan pasal esos dengan ltip ni dari segi perspektif of investor and perspektif of employee is very clear to you, and I hope you all boleh make use of this information to help you in your journey dalam pembelajaran saham. Alright, till then from Lake Bled, from Lake Bled Castle, Lake Bled juga ke belakang saya, Mr. Rookie Saham. Saya Raja and out dulu. So saya akan share more videos. Alright, thank you for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.